Alright, there you go. Ayan, gawa lang ako ng short video para batiin yung may kaarawan sa araw na ito. I think some of our YouTube friends, kilala ninyo yun. Today is her birthday. Actually, she's not a YouTuber, but isa siya sa masipag na mag-support sa bawat may mga live. And I really appreciate yung isa ako sa nabilang na lagi niyang sinusupport. Lagi ko siyang nakikita in my videos, nangunguna na manonood ng mga videos ko, something like that. Hindi man kami close friend, but then, I don't know, napakasipag niyang mag-support, hindi lang sa akin, but even though sa ibang YouTuber, kahit na hindi siya YouTuber, that she's very supportive. So I just shout out, I just want to shout out and greet her happy birthday, Ma'am Michi Manalo or Marisalas. Yan, Michi Manalo and Marisalas is iisa po yan, guys. So today is her birthday. I just wanna greet her and do a short video. Kantahan natin siya ng short song ng happy birthday. Kasi I think deserve naman niya yun. Kasi, you know, ang pagsusupport sa YT is hindi yun madali. So I think, kaya naisip ko na sa kasipagan niya, kabaitan niya, deserve din naman niya yung, ma-acknowledge yung kasipagan niya na nagsusupport sa atin. So, yun. Once more, Ma'am Michi Manalo, happy birthday. And please read my prayer gift to you. A very powerful word, Psalms 91. And yan, basahin mo yan. And also, in all the desire of your heart sa Mark 11:24. Okay. Basahin mo yun, Mark 11:24. And
once more,
91.
happy birthday, Ma'am Michi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you.
Yan, once more, happy birthday, Ma'am Michi. Thank you so much sa sobrang support mo sa bawat isa. God bless you more. Hope to see you soon.